All right, got a little mixture problem here. We're going to be mixing some 10% and some 30%. And then we want to end up with 10 liters at 15%. Okay. So we've got our, I guess we've got the percentage, the amount of that, and then the pure amount. Okay. So I guess I can put pure here. So this is the amount, and this is the percent, I guess. So we've got the 10%, we've got the 30% right here, and we ultimately want to get 15%. That's what our goal is to get, right, in the end. So let's see, we've got, this is just 0.1, right, 0.3. So the amount that we have, well, we don't know what the amounts are, okay? So our variables are the amount of each solution. That's really what we want to determine. So we can let x be the amount at 10%, and we could let y be the amount at 30%. So the pure amounts that come out in the end, we could say is 0.1x, right? And here we got 0.3y. That makes sense. This is more potent, right? So there is more acid in there. And then at the end, we want to end up with 0.15 times, this is the amount. We know the amount is 10, right? So that amount is actually equal to 1.5. So we're going to have 1.5 liters of acid. And that makes sense. That's 15% of 10 liters, right? Okay, how do we get that? Well, we're going to add, first of all, we have a total of 10 liters. So whatever amount we have of x and y is going to be 10 liters. Okay, so that we can set up our equations over here. That's fine. Let's see. So we have x plus y. That is equal to 10 liters. Okay, and then we've also got the pure amount is going to give us a total of 1.5 liters right here. Right? So we've got 0.1x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.5. And actually, just to clear the fractions out, I don't have to do this, but I like to do that. So let's just, first of all, this one over here, let's just isolate x. So x is going to be equal to 10 minus y, correct? So if we isolate x. And so I'm going to substitute that x value in here. Okay. Before I do that, I want to rewrite this equation so that it doesn't have any decimals in it. And again, I don't have to do that, but I just like to do that. So let's just write this here. X is equal to 10 minus y. And then we've got the other equation. X plus 3y. Really what I'm doing is multiplying this all by 10. Is equal to 15. Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and substitute. So I have, let's do something here. This is the x value here, right? So for x, I'm going to substitute 10 minus y. And then plus 3y is equal to 15. All right, good. So this is going to become, if I subtract 10 from both sides, this is going to become 5 here. And then so this is going to be just 2y is equal to 5. So y, this seems weird, y equals 5 over 2, or 2.5. Well, not too weird because, you know, we have 1.5 liters of acid, right? And so here we've got 2.5 liters of one mixture. So that doesn't seem odd that would happen. And we can test it too. So then how do we find out what the value of X is, well, X is just 10 minus 2.5, which is 7.5. Right? So we've got 7.5 of the 10%, and we've got 2.5 of the 30%. So that's our answer. So we'll have 7.5 liters of 10% acid and 2.5 liters of 30% acid. That's going to give us the mixture of 15% that we were looking for.